Hi, my name is Emily Olchen and I work with the pre-K kids. Really engaging with the children starts at check-in. You come in, you get on their level, and you say their name. And as soon as they walk in the door, then this is what starts to feel like home again. They're home away from home. And engaging with the kids continues with the craft, and then goes into the friendship circle time.
Yeah, and I'm Elizabeth Holland, and I also work in the same classroom with Emily. And with our pre-K kids, it's really about getting on their level, finding those things that they're interested in, and then being as excited about the activities as we want them to be. So we do that all the way through, all the way to check.
Hi, I'm Kinley, and this is your engagement tip of the week. One thing you can do is during check-in, a lot of things that I do is greet families as they walk by, compliment the kids' outfits, and just say hi to them even if I don't know them or I do. I always make sure that every family feels welcomed in our church. The next thing I'll do is I'll get down on their level to greet them and put their sticker on their back. And then if they're crying as they try to walk into the room, I'll reassure their parent that they'll be great and have a great time at church.
Hi, welcome to Resurrection Kids. I'm Reed and this is Connor. Today we are going to be walking you through the procedures on how to check in a child. First, your sticker is going to print on the printer over here, and then your child will arrive.
Hi, this is Michaela.
What's up, Michaela? The leader is going to take the parent pickup and give that to the adult, and then they're going to take the other sticker and place it on the child's back where it is hard to reach. We do this so that the child does not lose the sticker and does not peel it off and play with it during service. Then, the leader is going to take the other sticker and put it in the book.
Alright, have fun, Michaela.
Bye!
And that is how you check in a child.